Ito yung best investment this 2025 and no one talks about it. Hindi ito crypto, hindi ito stocks or even real estates. Whether your goal is to hit your 6 or 7 figures a month or any milestone this year, this is the key. And the best part, kahit housewife ka, empleyado ka, may iba kang business, nagsisimula ka pa lang, you can start this right now. My name is Steph. I've already made 7 figures in the month. And one thing made it possible is just one mission: making the Filipinos healthy. I've been posting stories and reels about the goodness of this 2 product and 1 program. Pinapakita ko sa kanila kung anong naging benefits nito sa akin, anong naging experience nito at sa ibang users. People don't just buy products, they buy from people they trust. Kaya I just focus on my vision na i-share ang benefits nito at makatulong sa maraming tao. Hindi ba ako nahihiyang mag-post or mag-share? No. Kung alam kong naging magandang effect nito sa akin, sa family ko, sa friends ko, alam kong makakatulong rin to sa ibang tao at alam kong wala akong niloloko. I've achieved to make time with my family, lalo na sa anak ko. Makabawi sa parents ko sa lahat ng tulong nila, makapag-travel kasama ng anak ko, pamilya ko, na hindi ko ito nagagawa sa traditional business ko noon. And the good news is, you don't have to be an expert para magsimula. Kung ano ka ngayon, that's your already personal brand. Napakaganda sa business na to, hindi ka mag-isa dahil i-guide ka namin at supportive ang team. Napakaganda ng business na to dahil napakalawak ng market. Dito ko nakita yung purpose ko sa pagtulong sa tao dahil solid ang product at alam kong makakatulong ito sa kanila. And guess what? I've had partners na hindi sanay mag-show off sa social media. Pero because of this mission and the effect sa kanila ng produkto, they're just sharing their everyday life with their friends, family at ng ibang tao. People started following them, trusting them, and eventually starts buying from them. Ang mga tao ang kusang nagme-message sa amin at sa partners ko. Not because they were expert, because they are real. Real people, real result, real transformation, solid product. So paano nga ba magsisimula dito? Kulang ang short video na to para i-explain ko sa iyo lahat. Kaya kung umabot ka dito, you were actually very lucky dahil bihira ang gantong negosyo. Sa 10 taong ko na nagde-negosyo, ngayon lang ako nakita ng gantong business model. So kung interesado ka, you can message me here dito sa personal account or you can comment down below interested. Let's connect and I will guide you dito sa bago mong business.